Hi there, Brad Richardson here with Logic. I'm going to improve your productivity today by showing you how to restore those deleted items in Outlook. When you deleted something, but now you need it. Let's take a look.
I'll first delete the email to show you how to restore it. So once the email is deleted, I will go to the folder titled Deleted Items on the left-hand side. From there, I'll right-click the item that I want to restore. Right-click the email, scroll down to Move, then select the option to move the item to a specific folder. I'll choose Inbox. Then from there, I can go back to the inbox and confirm the email has been restored. Now the process for restoring a contact is just the same. I'll show you here quickly. I'll go to the folder titled Deleted Items. I'll right-click the contact that I want to restore. That's Bob McKenzie. I'll scroll down to Move. Then from Move, I'll select Contacts. I'll move that contact into the folder Contacts. Then from there, I can go back to my contacts and see that Bob McKenzie has been restored back into the Contacts folder.
Thanks for watching and have a great week.